Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make a nice and easy dessert that's perfect for summertime, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. So it started out as a recipe for like a cinnamon poke cake, but it didn't quite go as planned, but the flavor popping. So if you want to just come along on this journey with me and making this cinnamon cake, just keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is prepare your white box cake following the instructions on the packaging, and then you will transfer it into a pre-greased rectangular pan. The size of the pan is completely up to you, and then you're going to put it in the oven and bake as the instructions. So while our cake is out of the oven and cooling, we are going to make our mixture. So I've got some melted butter and some brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon and some vanilla extract, and then some sweetened condensed milk. Yes, y'all, it's sweet, but it's so worth it. Alright, once you've got everything in the bowl, go ahead and give everything a really good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Okay, now you'll take your cooled cake and go ahead and poke some holes into it. I'm using a skewer, but the end of a wooden spoon would have been a lot better. And then you'll take your cinnamon mixture and go ahead and pour it over your cake. And then the next part is the hardest. You will have to set this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 3 hours to chill before icing. So, speaking of chilling, keeping things cool, we are going to take our Cool Whip and go ahead and put a nice layer over the top of our cake. And then you guys, we are almost done. The final step is to just go ahead and cut your cake, serve, and enjoy. You guys, there will be a taste test cam for this video, so look out for that on social media. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.